Good morning. We are here at the MK Nature Center, Morrison Knutson Nature Center. We're going to go in there, check out some nature, check out some fishies, check out some cool stuff about nature. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I know I am. Enjoying the sunshine, enjoying this beautiful day. It's Saturday. And I just wanted to get out of the house and go look at some nature, close by nature right down the road. I was watching some inspirational videos this morning, Mel Robbins and Billy Carson and Ralph Smart, Infinite Waters. I was watching those guys this morning, and they always make me feel better, always encourage me to be my best, and being my best means getting out and doing videos, sharing the world with you guys. So I really hope you enjoy this video and enjoy this beautiful day. I mean, look at this. It's just amazing out. Pretty flowers. Pretty flowers. All right, let's go in. Let's check the visitor center first. Got a bear here.
Are you holding the door? Thank you. Oh, I think I know where.
Yellow-bellied marmot. What do you calling a yellow belly? Pretty funny.
Hold the way in. Don't fight any toys.
That mural's held up really well on this wall.
The nest.
That looks good.
Yeah, it's still just, it looks so amazing.
Wow.
Look at this fish.
I don't know when they do that.
Chinook salmon. We have a lot of those here, especially in the Salmon River. It's a lot bigger than it looks. Let's see if I can give you an idea. Beaver. Lots of ducks, for sure. Well, these are kind of unique looking. I have a lot of mallards by my house. Fish can be very pretty. Otters are so cute. These are interesting looking. Look at that. That's their face. A lamprey. That would be very kind of freaky pulling one of those out of the water. Big, beautiful mural here. That'd be nice to have in your house. And I didn't realize woodpeckers were so big. At least this one is. Interesting. Some wolves up there. Oh, that's good. Turkey. Oh, look at the size of those. There's a big turkey. Moose are huge. They're so huge. Cabin. Let's walk in. Some unusual feet. I would guess a raccoon. The window looking outside the cabin. Beautiful weather outside. Another big fish. Some hides. Coyote. Look at this. Very cool. Place diced meat in a Dutch oven with diced onion, brown. Add any veggie in one hand. Lovely, lovely room of death you have here. Yeah, I never understood the hanging of dead animals on the wall. I just don't get it. But that's just me. I'm a huge animal lover, so. But yeah, I like the way they, let's see, what's in the box? Reach in and find out. Beaver fur. It's actually softer than you think. I thought it'd be more rough. Let's see what's in this one. Horn. Big horn, sheep horn. Very soft. Soft but strong. Let's see this one. Oh, I don't think I'll even grab that. Chicken leg. Golden eagle talon. Do the chickens have large talons? Oh, I'm so funny. Anyways, let's look out this window. Look at that view. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, that's kind of cool. You have to take a course. Very cool. All right, let's go out here. Wow, this is pretty cool. This is cool. Look at the baby. Foxes are so cute. The fox and the hound. Hey, little guy. And they got this big old caribou. Caribou. And up there,
Oh, thank you. Oh, honey, you can walk through here.
red-tailed hawk. Lynx. You don't really hear much about lynxes, you know? They look like bobcats. Like, is this a bobcat? Oh, how cute. He's only a little bit bigger than my house cat. How cute. I just want to pet you. Golden eagle. Elk. I'm assuming that's an elk. There's a cougar. Looks like he's getting ready to attack. And one of my favorites, if not my favorite, bald eagle. Huge nest. Huge nest. Wingspan is huge. Watch out. Look at that thing. It's huge.
Look at that. Okay.
Bear butt. Got a fish.
Look at that. It's a monkey. It's sitting here. It's our home. Sit down and spin
Your breath smells.
it. Sit down and spin it. I'm gonna cook you. Here's my mission box.
I think that's a blue heron. I think. Oh, it is. I actually have these flying around my house, believe it or not. And they squawk like a dinosaur. You can hear them, they're loud. They're so beautiful and majestic. I have bald eagles that fly over my home too. Ducks, geese, you name it. Where is a coyote? It's pretty small compared to the moose, or the elk. And we've got a southern Idaho ground squirrel. What is this? It's a sage grouse. Okay, so when people are saying they're going hunting for sage grouse, that's what they're hunting for. Little fish tank here. Some fishies. I think they think I'm gonna feed them because they're coming up to the to the edge of the glass here. I wonder what these are. Let's see. What are these? Rainbow trout? Here's the life stages of the rainbow trout. You got the egg, 0 days old. And they're 30 days old. Eyed eggs, basically eggs with eyeballs. Then they turn into these, which are called sack fry, early sack fries. And then they turn into these, which is a mid sack fry. And then these, after 90 days, a late sack fry. Smolt. It's called a smolt after 150 days. And that's what we're seeing here, live. The smolts. Very cool. It's hard to believe these little fellows turn into beautiful rainbow trout. Here is a bee's nest, guys. An active bee's nest. And it's saying, can you find the queen? Because the queen has a blue dot. The queen has a blue dot. I don't know if I'll find her in all of this. It's worse than Finding Nemo or Where's Waldo. I don't know. Let me take a look. I found her. She is right. Let's see if I can zoom in on her here. Maybe if I zoom out a little bit. But you can see the blue dot, see? See the blue? Right there. There's the queen. That's cool. I never knew that. She's moving around. Man, she looks just like the rest of them except for a blue dot. Wow. That is interesting. Learn something new every day. I love this saying right here. What is man without beasts? If all the beasts are gone, man would die from a great loneliness of spirit. For whatever happens to the beasts soon happens to man. All things are connected. That is awesome. I believe that. Different birds' nests here. Excuse me. Building blocks. This is the materials that the birds use. They use paper. Looks like some dirt, some moss, some strings, little twigs, cotton from the cotton trees, feathers, and leaves. Neat. And you can kind of see them all put together here. Birds are cool. Look at these eggs. Canadian goose. It's like twice the size of a regular chicken egg. Mallard duck looks exactly like a chicken egg. Redneck pheasant. So a little bit smaller than the chicken eggs. But look at all these little nests and stuff. Very cool. You don't ever want to mess with the nest. Leave it alone. Little eggs inside. Bird's nest. Monarch butterfly. When I was a little girl, my teacher told me it was the prettiest butterfly in the world, and I believed her. But then my brother said it was just in her opinion. That's how I learned about what opinions were. But anyways, let's go outside. Let's go out to the actual nature center. Ooh, there's some turtles in here. I used to have a turtle. What kind of turtle is that? His name's Yertle. Let's see if we can find him. Where's Yertle at? Yertle! Yertle, where are you? But she's hiding down in there. I used to have a turtle and I love to hide. This is the ultimate turtle thing though. Turtle containment center, whatever you want to call them. All right, what's this way? Let's see, there's some birds in here. Ooh, a peregrine falcon. Hey, little guy. He's back here. Hey, guy. See if we can get a good view of him here for you guys. Let's go over here. There we go. He's watching me. Hey, little guy. See if I can get him to focus. You're pretty. I bet you wish you were out flying, huh? Something happened to him and they're taking care of him. He's got this enclosure. But yeah, peregrine falcon right there. Quiet and peaceful. All right, guys, here we go. Walking the nature trail now. The outdoor part. Think we'll see some lions, tigers, and bears out here? I hope so. Yeah, you got this cobblestone walkway. Squirrels playing in the tree. Probably fighting over something. But yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful, beautiful sun. Let's go this way. Oh no, there's a bear. There's a bear. Oh, looks like they got other stuff here too. They got the mountain lions and the elk. Some wolves. Pretty cool. Oh, pictures, photograph moment. It's over here. How they manage the wildlife. Very carefully. American mink, look at that. It reminds me of my ferret. I had a pet ferret. All right, let's go this way. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I know I am. Who goes there? Oh, it's the paws. Okay, so that's what a fox paw print looks like. Okay, looks like a little doggy. Makes sense. Makes sense. Let's see. This is a pretty cool statue we got here. Donation center. Look at that. I think it's the heron. The blue heron. That's awesome. Some more artwork over here. This is the pollinator garden. Provides food and shelter they need to survive. Our pollinators are moths, butterflies, bees, hummingbirds. I have a lot of hummingbirds by my home. Sometimes when I put the hummingbird juice out, they fight over it. It's pretty funny. It's like, quit fighting, guys. Enough juice for everybody. But yeah, here's some more artwork. Kind of cool. So in this pond up here, guys, believe it or not, there's supposed to be 2 sturgeons. I don't know if you know what sturgeons are, but they're dinosaurs, basically. They grow to be very large. They're very resilient and strong. And they're only found in very few parts of the world, but they are found here in Idaho. And we have 2 of them in here. Beavers. Let's see if we can find the sturgeon. All I see is a reflection right now. But yeah, there's supposed to be 2 sturgeon in this pond. Here we go. This talks about it. Swimming dinosaurs. Don't feed.
Heel, like from heel to heel.
There's some fish right there. You see the fish, guys? That is cool. All right, guys, I actually saw a couple sturgeon. They were huge and amazing. I couldn't film them, though, because the water was reflecting the sunlight. But that was cool. Live sturgeon in that pond. This is a hollowed out log here. Let's go down this way. But yeah, this pond right here, guys, sturgeon. 30 years old, 7 feet long. They look like sharks. They're very calm and peaceful. Neat. This place is so cool. I definitely need to come here more often. Let's check this out over here. Whee, that's pretty. Peaceful. I love that sound. Sometimes I put this sound on at night just to fall asleep to. This and thunderstorms. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Definitely gonna come here more often. Let's see what's this way. Enjoying wildlife. Most Idahoans enjoy wildlife. I don't see how hunting is enjoying wildlife, to be honest with you. But that's just me. That's my opinion. A lot of people say they love hunting because they love the outdoors. So then why not just go camping? Oh, no. No, honestly, though. I have a hard time shooting and killing animals. I do believe in hunting for food, though, if you really needed the food, you know. I think God gave us animals for food, partially. But anyways, enough with my opinions. Look at this. This is that river I just showed you, or that little stream I just showed you. This is part of it. Kind of shows you a window of what it looks like. Pretty dark, though. Can't really see a whole lot. But usually you can see some little fishies in here. Fish hide from the uninvited dinner guests. See, they're smart. Fish are smart. Don't see anything in here. Do you have any fish on your fish tour? As Jeff Goldblum would say in Jurassic Park. Any dinosaurs on your dinosaur tour? Give me shelter. Animals need shelter to escape and to be safe. Just like humans. Just like humans. Yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. So glad I'm doing this today. Don't be tripping. Don't be tripping. You hear that, squirrel? Don't be tripping. Wow, this is cool. I haven't been here for a few years and it's just gotten better and better. Like I was telling a gentleman back there at the pond, when I first heard there was sturgeon in there, I didn't believe him. And I was telling him that I haven't been here for a couple years and I've been missing out. I think over here, if I remember right, there's like a petroglyph written on the rock. The petroglyphs you see on the nearby basalt boulder depict one of the most ancient of human activities, hunting. From the hunting stories etched on the rock to modern tales told around a campfire, hunting has a rich heritage. It's funny, I was just talking about hunting. It provides healthy food as well as connections to nature, family, and friends. Well, that's another, aspect of it. Some Idaho petroglyphs are 10 to 12,000 years old. That does not surprise me. All right, let's check it out. It's getting dark over here. There we go. Now it's lightening up. Look at that, guys. Look at those. Right there on the rock. I'm not sure if these are legit, like ancient, or if they're just replicas. It didn't say. But that is cool. Very cool. Very cool. All right, let's continue on. That might be too bright. I'm trying to figure out my flash here, guys. Oh, wow, that looks like a big nest. Big old nest up ahead. Little viewing area here. So you can sit here and just bird watch. And just enjoy nature. Isn't that cool? Just sit here and bird watch. Peaceful. I'm not sure what's down this way. Is this backtracking? Let's see. Ooh, yeah. No, this is different. Neat, look at the artwork, guys. Wow. Pretty artwork. You can hear crickets and the water flowing. All right, let's see what's in here. See if we can find anything in this water. Not really seeing much. So let's move along. Move along. I just drains the battery more, so I don't want to do that. Let's turn that off. There we go. Big old nest, guys. Look at this. Oh, this is funny. I think it's part of a stage show or something. Huh. Very cool. Huge nest. This must be the nest of a pterodactyl. pterodactyl. That's how it's pronounced. Okay, I think that I think we saw a lot of it, if not all of it so far. Just gonna walking back down the trail, showing you the beauty. The beauty. Walk the plank. I don't think we went down this way. Let's check this way. Connecting critters. Interesting. Let's see what's this way. Not a whole lot, it looks like. Let's see, what is this? Raw material. What's under your feet? Cooking compost. Compost recipe. Huh. Raw material compost. Okay, I always kind of wondered what that was. I've heard of composting. I remember my neighbors were, they were laughing about it. They were being nice about it, but they were like, your chickens got into my compost. And I was like, man, they're probably in hog heaven. Because I think there's worms and stuff in the compost. But anyways, I think we've hit it all now. Just wanted to show you guys the beautiful leaves changing color. I love autumn. It's still warm, but yet the colors are changing. It's cooling down a bit, and it's beautiful. I think autumn's probably my favorite season. All right, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the nature center as much as I did. It is beautiful out here. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.